Hi everybody, today we have a 2001 GMC Yukon 4-wheel drive 5.3 liter. The customer's taking a long trip and they want to have it test driven and see what it needs for service. So I drove it and it needs a fuel injection cleaning. The steering box is real loose. We're going to put some transmission conditioner in it. And then I put a scanner on it and I kept seeing this Misfire number 6 cylinder. And I started looking around the engine compartment. I kept hearing this little tick 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 or spark type of sound, like a coil might be shorting out. And everything looked good. Let me show you what I found. So I'm just looking at all the spark plugs, you know, where the boots connect on here. And it looks good there. It looks good there. And I'm watching this one, and the boot is shaking. So let's try to get the light on there. So it's not supposed to move at all. The spark plug is loose. You look at the back one, it looks good. Look at that one, it's good. When you watch that, you can just see shaking around a little bit. So at the minimum we have a loose spark plug. And I hope it hasn't been that way too long because it'll eventually damage the threads on the cylinder head. So I just wanted you to be aware, whenever you hear those little ticking sounds or a little thing that keeps annoying you, you keep checking it out. Keep investigating, because every time you hear a noise, it doesn't belong there. It's not a uniform sound. Something's always wrong. It just was kind of surprised to find that being what it was. So thank you very much. Have a great day. Sometimes it's something simple.